Okay, I think we are recording now. Get this out of here. All right. So yesterday we basically took the information and updated our template, right? We provided the raw data that we're going to use now to try to predict these matches. Okay? So over here on this big data that I sent you today, we have all the teams. We have the weighted average of what their defense allowed versus what their offense allowed. We also have the median, which was also weighted. Remember, it's weighted to favor those games that were played more recently. We have the weighted median because, especially in like sports, you get kind of blowouts. Teams lay down. Median's a good metric to use to kind of measure these, so you aren't adversely affected by these outliers. Then what I did was I put in the home and away medians. We're gonna test to see which one works. So this is what the team normally scores. So if we look at its normal median, Arizona defense, if you take their entire season, they're typically allowing 17 points a game. At home, they allow 16. Away, they're allowing 18. And you'll see that, and it's more pronounced with some of these teams. Some of these teams play much better at home versus away. Some teams, it's not both the defense and the offense. Maybe it's just the offense itself. Okay? And later on, next week, what we're going to do is we're going to find those teams that actually statistically play better at home. And then in that case, we'll probably just use their home metrics or away metrics if it's that different. Okay, so let's set up these matches. Okay, so let's grab this stuff here. So select the column headers. Everybody did that? Okay, remember, look for that hand, and we're just going to drag it over. Oh, wait. Wait. Yeah, we got more. Okay. Everybody with me? Get that out of the way. Go away. Okay. So now we have to set up the matchups. So let's do last night's game. If remember we did that yesterday, you can just actually you're using the new spreadsheet, so we should be okay. So what I want to do is for each game I want to put the home game first, or the home team first. So in this case, all of these values on this side, Bears, Bengals, Redskins, Titans, Saints, etc., are going to go first, and then the team they're playing is going to go next. And this is going to allow us to keep track of these home versus away games. Trust me, I did it kind of random when I first started doing this, and it just totally messed me up. So this is a much easier way to kind of keep track of what's going on. So let's do the Bears. Where's the Bears? Or Chicago. There it is. Okay, we're going to get all this information, and we're going to put it on the top. Okay, and they played the Cowboys. Dallas. I'm going to put that right below. Oops. Dang it. I'll edit this out. Okay. So the next one, we're going to put the Bengals first. Cincinnati. And versus Pittsburgh. Remember, we put the Bengals first because they're the home team. Just drag it up. Okay. So I want you to do this for every game for week 14. And once you're done with that, then what we're going to do is we're going to devise formulas to use this information to figure out how many points each team is going to score in that particular matchup. All right?